Kiara, my name is Rizalyn Gregorio. Firstly, I'd like to thank you for giving me the opportunity to present this video as part of my job application. I am currently completing my final paper for the Level 5 New Zealand Diploma in Sterilizing Technology. I have been working in sterilizing field for 7.5 years, now serving as Operations Team Leader in Sterile Sciences Service at Green Lane Clinical Center. I am passionate, driven, and possess strong communication skills. I work effectively with others to achieve common goals and lead with a focus on management and team collaboration. I take ownership of complex challenges and ensure that our team consistently delivers reusable medical devices of highest quality and safety for patient use. First, let me discuss about my leadership style. First is I'm collaborative and empowering. I believe in fostering an environment where team members feel valued and supported so they can do their best work. For example, in my current role, I often made sure to involve my team in decision-making process, although sometimes empowerment leads to overconfidence of staff. Next is I'm emotional aware and flexible. I also understand the need for self-awareness and flexibility. I believe emotional intelligence is the key to understanding when to provide guidance and when to step back and allow the team to take the lead. Although sometimes providing staff guidance poses risk for dependency to leaders, which result for the staff to struggle in making decisions when the leader is not around. I focus on role modeling and ethical leadership, as this establishes a culture where high standards are blanket norm, reinforcing the importance of accountability, initiating ethical decision making, and inspiring confidence and trust within the team. Although role modeling creates pressure mostly on leaders to maintain perfect image all the time, which can cause feeling burnout. Growth and development. I am also committed to helping my team grow by providing constructive feedback and opportunities for development. I find that investing in people not only helps an individual but also drives the overall success of the team. Lastly is commitment to continuous improvement. I aim for continuous improvement by constantly looking for ways to enhance processes, install new equipment, and improve team skills. Next, let me discuss about my vision for leadership for this new facility. First is I will create a collaborative leadership approach. My vision for this leadership in new facility is to create an environment where collaboration, trust, and open communication are at the forefront. I believe in empowering teams by providing them with the tools, resources, and autonomy they need to succeed. Leadership is not just about directing, it's about guiding, mentoring, and supporting employees to reach their full potential. I will focus on establishing a positive team culture. Building a positive and inclusive culture from day one would be a key priority for me. I'd focus on creating a shared vision for the team that everyone can rally behind, ensuring that each team member understands that just what they are doing but why it matters. I will foster clear communication and expectations. Effective communication would be a cornerstone of my leadership approach. I would make sure there are clear channels and feedback, updates, and problem solving. Transparency in decision making and setting clear expectation is essential to building trust and ensuring that everyone is aligned and working towards common goals. Lead by example and foster accountability. As a leader, I believe in leading by example. I would prioritize setting the standard for excellence, integrity, and respect, and expect the same from the team. At the same time, I would ensure accountability at all levels, encouraging everyone to take ownership of their responsibility while providing support to overcome challenges. Focus on employee growth and development. My vision for leadership also includes a strong emphasis on employee development. I see these new facilities an opportunity to invest in training, mentorship, and career growth. By supporting employees' personal and professional growth, we not only improve performance but also enhance employee satisfaction and retention. Next is to cultivate a culture of innovation and ongoing refinement. Leadership in a new facility also means creating an environment where innovation is encouraged, where continuous improvement is part of the daily routine. I want to empower employees to bring forward new ideas and solutions, whether it's around operational efficiencies, technology adaptation, or problem solving. By fostering a culture of innovation, we ensure that the facility remains competitive and adaptable. Lead during challenges and change. In a new facility, there will inevitably be growing pains and unexpected challenges. My leadership vision is to remain calm and solution oriented during these times. I would approach challenges as opportunities to learn and grow, keeping the team motivated and focused on the bigger picture no matter the obstacles we face. Next is to achieve outcomes with a balanced leadership approach. Ultimately, my goal as a leader in a new facility would be to balance achieving operational excellence with maintaining a positive and engaged workforce. I want to lead with empathy and understanding, while also driving high performance and measurable results. My leadership vision is about creating a sustainable, thriving environment that delivers long-term success for the facility, the team, and the company. First is alignment and compliance to regulatory standards. First and foremost, my strategy would prioritize full compliance with industry regulation standards such as ISO 13485 and local health authority guidelines such as AS 5369. Reprocessing reusable medical devices comes with high stakes, so ensuring that every step of the process is critical to maintaining patient safety and quality control. This would be non-negotiable in every operational decisions we make. Next is to implement standard operating procedures. I would implement clear, well-documented standard operating procedures for each stage of the processing process, from cleaning and disinfection, from packaging and sterilization. This SOP would not only ensure consistency, but also minimize the potential for human error. I'd ensure these procedures are constantly reviewed, updated, and practiced with input from team members who work directly with the devices. Next is to streamline processes and layout. In a new facility, optimizing workflow is crucial to efficiency. I'd ensure that the layout of the processing area is designed to minimize unnecessary steps, reduce cross-contamination risk, and enable a smooth transition between cleaning, disinfection, packaging, and sterilization. This could involve creating clear zones or dedicated areas for each task, ensuring that the staff can easily follow the sequence without backtracking or creating bottlenecks. Incorporate technology and automation. Where possible, I'd explore opportunities to incorporate automation and technology to streamline operations. This could involve using automated cleaning and sterilization system to improve both speed and consistency. Additionally, implementing a tracking and inventory system would allow real-time monitoring of devices status, usage, and maintenance schedules, reducing the risk of errors and ensuring devices are processed on time. Next is staff training and development. An essential part of ensuring operational efficiency and effectiveness is ongoing staff training. I would ensure all team members are not only well trained in the technical aspect of device reprocessing, but also in recognizing the importance of infection control, quality assurance, and attention to detail. Regular training programs, as well as refresher courses, would keep the team up to date with best practices and change in regulations. Next is quality control and audit. Implementing a robust quality control process is vital. I will introduce periodic inspection of each stage of the processing cycle to catch any potential issues earlier. This could involve visual inspections, testing for cleanliness, and monitoring sterilization indicators. I'd also establish a system for tracking reprocessed devices, allowed us to identify any patterns of recurring issues that could indicate process inefficiencies or defects in reprocessing. Next is performance measurement and sustained refinement. I would focus on key performance indicators such as turnaround time, error rates, compliance audit results, and customer satisfaction. These metrics would give us insight into how efficiently the reprocessing is running and highlight areas for improvement. By consistently analyzing this data, we can implement a continuous improvement strategy to refine processes, reduce cost, and improve throughput without compromising quality. Next is preventive maintenance and equipment reliability. To ensure the reprocessing process is consistently efficient, I would establish a comprehensive preventive maintenance program for all equipment used in the processing cycle, ensuring that sterilizers, washer, and other devices are regularly inspected and maintained will help prevent downtime and reduce the chances of equipment failure, which can disrupt the entire workflow. Next is to create clear communication and collaboration. Since the reprocessing facility interacts with multiple departments such as operating rooms, it's crucial to establish strong communication protocols. I would ensure that communication is clear and real-time, with regular meetings or updates between key stakeholders to ensure that reprocessed devices meet the needs of the clinical teams and are delivered on time. A strong collaboration will ensure that we anticipate needs and avoid delays. Lastly, I will foster long-term sustainability. I would look into sustainable practices to ensure that the reprocessing process is environmentally friendly. This could include finding an eco-friendly cleaning agents, energy-efficient sterilization equipment, or recycling materials when possible. By focusing on these areas, I would ensure that the facility not only operates efficiently but also delivers the highest quality of reprocessed devices, ultimately contributing to patient safety and the facility success. Next is plan for staff development. First is to assess employee competencies and recognize areas for improvement. My first step in staff development will be to assess the existing skills and knowledge of the team. This would involve conducting a thorough skills inventory to understand each team member, current competencies, and identify any gaps in knowledge or experience, especially in relation to the specific equipment and procedures used in the reprocessing of medical devices. Based on this assessment, I create a tailored development plan for each staff member. Next is to provide comprehensive initial staff training. Given the high stakes in medical device processing, comprehensive initial training is crucial. I would ensure that all new hires undergo an in-depth training program covering both the technical aspects such as cleaning, disinfection, sterilization, inspection, and packaging, as well as the regulatory compliance requirements, including the ISO and the IAS 5369. This training would ensure everyone starts with a solid foundation and understand the highest standards required for patient safety and quality control. Next is to develop a continuous learning culture. I would promote a culture of continuous learning by providing ongoing training opportunities for the staff, especially since the health industry evolves rapidly. This could include regular workshops, certification courses, and access to industry webinars or conferences on best practices in device processing, infection control, and emerging technologies in sterilization processes. Certifications, such as Level 4 Certificate in Sterilization Technology, this will allow employees to deepen their knowledge and enhance their qualifications. Next is to develop a framework for continuous skill development. Mentorship would be another key part of my plan. I would pair more experienced team members with new staff members to facilitate knowledge sharing and hands-on learning. This mentorship approach would help new hires integrate into the team more quickly while allowing experienced staff to reinforce their own knowledge by teaching others. Additionally, I'd implement cross-training across different functions like cleaning, inspection, sterilization, and packaging to ensure versatility and flexibility, enabling staff to work efficient in various roles when needed and increasing team resilience. Next is regular performance feedback and development plans. I would implement regular performance reviews that go beyond just assessing whether tasks are completed on time. These reviews would focus on overall job performance, including accuracy, efficiency, adherence to safety and compliance standards, and teamwork. Based on this evaluation, we'd set personal development goals for each staff member, identifying specific skills to develop and areas to improve. These goals would be reviewed periodically to ensure continuous progress. Next is encourage a collaborative and supportive environment. A key component of staff development is fostering a collaborative and supportive environment. I would encourage open communication and feedback between staff and management by making sure that team members feel supported and have a voice in suggesting process improvements. We can create an environment where staff feels valued and motivated to contribute to the overall success of the facility. When employees are empowered and feel appreciated, they are more likely to take ownership to their roles and strive for excellence. Next is leadership development. As the facility grows and evolves, I'd also focus on developing future leaders from within the team, identifying high potential employees early and providing them with leadership training they need can ensure we have a sustainable talent pipeline. This might involve leadership workshop, shadowing opportunities with senior staff, and delegating increased responsibility to those showing interest in taking on leadership roles. Next is support staff well-being. Staff development isn't just about training. Well-being and job satisfaction are critical for retention. I would ensure that the team has access to wellness programs, and I'd maintain an open door policy for addressing concerns, both professional and personal. Engaged employees are more likely to stay, perform better, and contribute positively to the facility's cultures and productivity. In summary, by investing in employee development through targeted training, mentorship, performance feedback, and leadership development, I believe we can build a high-performing team that is both efficient and committed to ensuring the highest standards of quality and safety in the processing of medical devices. And that ends my presentation. Thank you and have a great day.